How do I fix a rejected return on Credit Karma? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your return was rejected, you do not have to worry. It just means that some things on your return didn't line up. The first step to fixing your return is to check your email. You will receive an email from Credit Karma. You simply have to open that mail and follow the instructions. First of all, you will have to sign into your account. For that, you want to open up any web browser and then head over to creditkarma.com. Then click on the login option. After that, enter your email ID, then enter your password and click on the login option. Once you are logged into your account, in the mail, Credit Karma will explain you why your return was rejected and then guide you through the most common rejects. If prompted, it is going to walk you through the necessary steps to make the changes. Once you fix the error, review your order and then save a PDF of your updated returns. After that, you can submit for e-filing. If for whatever reason your return keeps getting rejected when e-filing, there are a couple of things you can do. You can either print it and fill by mail, or you can contact the customer support of Credit Karma. For that, you simply have to click on the Help Center option on the Credit Karma website and then click on the Chat with Us option. A customer support agent will come in contact with you and help you fix any of your issues. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.